It's my first day as a CSA or Customer Sales Associate. Luckily, I have Rakesh, my neighbor, to guide me, who also works at the same store as a team leader. Oh, here he is.
Hey Vinod,
Hi.
all set for your first day?
Yes, I am. But I am a little nervous and confused too. Yesterday, the news highlights on TV was about the growing retail industry. They were talking about organized and unorganized sector. I was trying to understand what that meant.
Well, you don't have to be so confused, my friend. It's pretty simple. But now, let me tell you what retail is. Retail is a sale of goods like apparels, electronics, food items. And these goods are called as tangible goods, which means one can touch them. Retail also includes selling of services like electronic repair services like mobiles, TV, etc.
Okay, understood that. But what is meant by organized sector and unorganized sector?
I will explain that to you later. But now let's have a look at different type of retail shops. Come along.
Come.
Vinod, see the Kirana wala. He's also a part of the retail industry, but he's an independent owner of the store. These type of stores are called as convenience stores.
But why is it called a convenience store?
Well, because it has a limited range of daily products, groceries and food items needed by us and is conveniently located near our homes. Vinod, see that huge store? It's Star Bazaar. You will get large variety of goods like apparel, footwear, groceries and other consumer products. This is what we call a hypermarket.
Okay, but I have heard of some terms like supermarket, discount store, departmental store, etc. How different are these then? Are they not stores?
Well, all these are stores too, but they're classified based on their size, variety of merchandise, price of merchandise, etc.
Okay, what next? Wow, McDonald's! I never knew there is a McDonald's here as well.
Huh.
I always went to the one further up the road.
Yes, and Vinod, do you know, this is also a type of retail store. Such type of stores are called as franchisee operated stores.
What is a franchisee operated store, Rakesh?
Well, it's basically a retail outlet of a particular brand or a owner. It is under a contract which allows the outlet to conduct business using the brand name and their business pattern. McDonald's everywhere follow the same practice. So, the actual owner has allowed different people to run a store under the name of McDonald's. So, they're able to open so many stores.
Look, there is a tea stall there.
Huh.
Let's have some tea.
Vinod, do you realize this tea stall is also a retail store?
Yes, I was about to tell you that.
Oh, see that hoarding of Snapdeal on the bus stop? This too is a type of retail.
Yes, I've seen their advertisement on television too. But I've never seen a store of Snapdeal anywhere. Then, how is it a part of retail?
Good question. Let me explain you that. The Kirana shop, Star Bazaar, McDonald's and this tea stall all come under store-based retail types. Whereas Amazon, eBay and Snapdeal all come under non-store based retail types.
Then Rakesh, online shopping, buying things over the phone, network marketing, all fall under non-store based retail, right?
Exactly.
I never knew all this. I always thought retail can only happen when there is a store. It is even more than that.
That's right. You know, the retail industry is divided into two sectors, organized and unorganized.
I see. And some of them do not even require a store to operate.
That's right. These are called as non-store retail types or formats, whereas the other fall into the store-based retail formats. Chalo, let's go. Come, let us build a small chart on the different retail types.